Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today, we are going to share with you the inspiring story of a great prophet of Allah, mentioned in the Holy Qur'an. His name is Prophet Idrees, A.S., a man of truth, wisdom, and patience, whom Allah raised to a high and noble position. Let's begin this blessed story. Prophet Idrees, A.S., also known as Enoch, was the great-grandson of Prophet Adam, A.S. Allah granted him prophethood at a time when people had started to commit sins, worship idols, and spread injustice. The Quran says, "And mention in the book, Idrees. Indeed, he was a man of truth and a prophet, and we raised him to a high station." Surah Maryam 56-57.
Prophet Idrees, A.S., called his people towards the worship of one God, justice and truthfulness. He said, "O my people, worship none but Allah, speak the truth, do justice, and leave behind all sins and falsehood."
Some people accepted his message and became righteous, but many rejected him. Despite opposition, Prophet Idrees, A.S., remained patient and steadfast, trusting only in Allah. Allah blessed him with great knowledge. He was the first prophet to write with a pen. He taught people how to sew clothes and wear stitched garments instead of animal skins. He was given the knowledge of astronomy, mathematics, and wisdom. He also guided people to live in cities and improve their way of life. Because of his devotion to teaching, he was named Idrees, which comes from the word dars, meaning lesson or study. Allah honored him with a special status. According to narrations, an angel took him up to the heavens. His soul was taken there, and that is why the Quran says Allah raised him to a high station. In the journey of Miraj, our beloved Prophet Muhammad met Prophet Idrees, A.S., on the fourth heaven. This shows his exalted position in the sight of Allah. The story of Prophet Idrees, A.S., teaches us powerful lessons. Knowledge and wisdom are blessings from Allah. Patience and steadfastness lead to honor and success. The real success lies in worshiping Allah and staying on the path of truth. Dear viewers, Prophet Idrees, A.S., was a man who combined faith, knowledge, and patience. And because of this, Allah granted him dignity and raised him to a lofty station. We hope you enjoyed this inspiring story of Prophet Idrees, A.S. If you want to hear more Islamic stories, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.